If you have tried to download Google Chrome on your laptop or computer and didn't know where to start, or if you are looking for an easy and safe way to install it, you are in the right place. You probably want to use Chrome to browse faster, open websites easily, or just have a better internet experience. In this video, I will show you how to download and install Google Chrome on your laptop or computer step by step in a very simple way that anyone can follow. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any steps. Let's get started. First, go to the bottom left and search Microsoft Edge. Then open Microsoft Edge. Go to the search bar and type in Google Chrome. Here, click on this link. Then click on Download Chrome here. Wait for a few seconds until it's downloaded, then go to the downloads folder here and click on the file that you have downloaded. Just gonna click on yes, then click on install. And this is how you can download Google Chrome on your laptop or computer easily. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.